It's a bad man thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that sub button for me. And of course, make sure you ring the bell to get all post notifications. So there's a new unit out by Model, and it's called Sweet Pea, and it's 100% human hair lace front wig. So this will be kind of like an unboxing type of first impressions type of review. If you are interested in the unit, definitely check out GLAMOURTRESS.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. So here is Miss Sweet Pea, and I'm going to try to do this so you guys. It claims that this is 100% human hair, and of course it comes in a number of colors. Price point on this on GLAMOURTRESS.com, it looks like it's about $68, so almost $70, you know, with tax and shipping and all that good stuff. Here is Miss Sweet Pea out of the pack, and of course she comes in all this lovely, I call it wig junk. So she comes with all this lovely wig junk that protects our units. Ooh. Okay, I love the texture. I actually really love the texture on this unit. So here is Miss Sweet Pea, and she is a blunt cut bob. She does have soft Swiss lace, and it looks like you have, wow, oh, okay. You do have combs. So there's 2 combs right next to the temple area. I know one of my viewers had said they like the combs by the temple area, so this one definitely has that. And she does have a coarse texture to her, definitely soft, but it has like that real coarse human hair feel to it. And there's no luster on this unit at all, which I appreciate. And here is your parting space. Will I go in and pluck and tweeze? I won't know until I put this on my unit, until I put this on my head. So if you are interested in seeing Miss Sweet Pea, then go ahead and keep watching. All right, ladies, so here I am with Miss Sweet Pea. This is a big head friendly unit, very comfortable cap, and it does have some stretch to it. And I must say, the parting space on this unit looks like scalp. No one can tell you wearing a wig. I had to put the little neck twist, neck roll in that. But parting space is very, very, very good. And it almost appears that this color is dark rooted. I was noticing when I was combing it, it kind of has a dark root look to it. And as far as the texture, there's no luster. No luster on this unit whatsoever, no shine, but it has that healthy look to it. And of course, y'all know how I feel about that body. She definitely has it. A lot of movement in this wig. And what else can I say, but let me give you guys a 360.
See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my hero. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my.
Now, dare I say, I actually wish this was just a little shorter. I can't believe I said that. I usually shy away from short wigs, but this one here, I am definitely feeling Miss Sweet Pea. And I was really, I'll be honest, I was planning to hate on this wig. I really was planning to hate because I saw the price and I was just like, what? But I can say that this is a really, really good bob. Now, as far as cons, there is a hump at the top of this unit when you first get it, so you will have to work to lay it flat. And I think my only other con was this side seems like it's a little flared out as far as the ends. It's not as bumped as this side, and I think that has to do with the way it was packaged. I have not had any issues with shedding and tangling. This is a human hair unit, so I really don't see you getting too many tangles. So I know what you're asking. Is it worth it? Is it worth the price? Here is my thought. You have soft Swiss lace. You have lace parting that looks like scalp. You have no luster on this unit. Great cut. Great texture. It's 100% human hair. For $70, I think that's an investment. And you can also bleach, perm, and color this unit to your liking, as it states on here. So it is a little, it's a little up there. You're gonna spend some coins, but the fact that you can bleach, perm, and color this unit, I do believe that this is a winner. I do believe that this is a winner. So if you guys are interested in Miss Sweet Pea, definitely check out GLAMOURTRESS.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let me know that you're here. And if you aren't already doing so, follow your girl on Snapchat, where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. And as always, ladies, make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Make you move that thing, bring it out. Make you move that thing, bring it out.